Ignoring the culture of savings is a major money mistake. Ignoring the culture of savings. Listening to me, people of God, savings is a scriptural culture. Is a covenant culture. To rebel against it is to turn your back against the covenant. Couldn't you have put the money in the bank, so that at my coming I will have it with interest? In your Bible, in your Bible, Joseph looked at Pharaoh. He said, this dream you have, 7 years of plenty, 7 years of famine, you dreamt twice, because it is established that this is the way things will go all over the world. Seasons of plenty and seasons of famine will forever be the cycle of the earth. He said, but in the season of plenty, save 20%, 1/5. If you save 20% in 7 years of plenty, it will save you in the season of famine. Because if you don't save, you are not safe. If you don't save, you are not safe. You are supposed to save a minimum of 10% of all your income. No matter what, 10%, save it. It's financial management principle. It is from the Bible. You are supposed to have between 6 months to 8 months of your living expenses saved up in cash. How do you think people survive COVID? Many of you only survive by grace and mercy, and what they were calling it a name that time. Palliative. Mommy, thank you. Palliative. A new language came up. Palliative. You survive by palliative at your level. Palliative. Hello? Hello? But some people, their savings was intact. Even if COVID lasted 1 year, they had enough money to continue to take it, because in the days of plenty, they were saving. But in the days of plenty, you were wasting. 6 months, saved. Listen to me. If you save 10% of all your income, hey, I'm trusting God for 100,000. Oluwa, 100,000. That prayer will be answered in 10 months. As you save 10,000 every month. Read your Bible. It's called the working of miracles. Miracles are worked. So if you are believing God for 100,000, God does not answer by giving you 100,000. He answers by giving you wisdom and discipline to start saving 10,000 from your income now. By 10 months, 100,000, your prayer will be answered. But instead of doing that and using your common sense, you are waiting for one miracle. Have you ever given somebody money like that before, that you're expecting to harvest what you have not sown? Hello? You say, hey, you know, I don't have too much money. It's wisdom that you lack. Oh. It's wisdom that you lack. My sister, 1,000 a day, 1,000 a week savings is 52,000 in 1 year. Abi? 1,000 a week. How do you think that woman at the bus stop selling bolianepa, selling granite, selling orange, raises 3 children? And you that went to university, ordinary one child, you are welfare. Because you went to school, but school didn't go through you. Hello? How does an Okada rider, a man selling in go-slow, raise a wife and 3 children? And you, ordinary 2, you are dying. If you ever live with your great-grandmother, they say there is the one they put in the wrapper, there is the one they put in something in front that has zip, there is the one they hide in different places. Savings. You say, but Pastor, you don't understand. The money is not enough. No, it's your wisdom that is not enough, sir. Like my mother will say, don't chop with 10 fingers. My mother will say, he said, the money that children see, they waste. Many of you sitting down here right now, young boys, young girls, in your 20s, you have a good job. You are earning 150, 180. You are buying Tanzania Air, Peruvian Air, Italian Air, extension, eyelashes, extending the. What's your problem? Who possessed you like this? Who did this to you? I love shoes. I love shoes. I just love shoes. You have 2 legs. Yet you are buying shoes like an octopus. Your wardrobe is filled with bag and shoe to match. Yet your destiny is not matching your bank account. Ordinary one plot you don't have. 25 years, a quarter of a century, you can't raise 1 million. Then you enter a man's house that you are married to a rich man, yet you are a poor wife. What are you bringing to the table? The only thing you brought to your husband's house is the pack of clothes he bought for you for engagement. No investment, no house, no car, no shares, no bonds, no stocks. Nothing. Hello? Wealth is not sexually transmitted. Hello? That you marry a rich man does not make you rich. So if your husband has 2 houses in Banana Island, say we have houses. What was your contribution to that house? How much did you put? Now you do roofing. I've been a POP you pay for. We have 2 houses in Banana. If you add 1, won't it be 3? Hello? To crown it up, the man has 3 cars. You can't drive. You are waiting for driver. You cannot drive. So driver can just drop you and get angry with you on the 3rd mainland. I say, madam, what's all this? Drive yourself. And then you see yourself. Hello? Pastor, you don't understand. The money is not enough. You know, by example, 3 square meal. Is 3 a square or a triangle? 3 square meal. Who did this to us? 3 square meal. 3 in a square. Must you eat 3 times? Must you eat 3 times? Yeah, who did this to us? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Show me in the Bible. Have you prayed 3 times that you want to eat 3 times? Even when you are not hungry, where's my food? Mommy, where's my food? And we are raising a generation of wasters. You are 21 years old, 21, voting, adult, 3 years from 18, 19, 20, 21. You can vote. You are an adult legally. 21-year-old one lay. What have you brought to the table? So after they have raised you through primary school, secondary school, they should still be feeding you. If we are brought by 18, they will have thrown you out of the house. Or you will have been paying rent for that 1 room you are occupying. Then your head will be straight. Save! It's a mistake that many people are making. Let's close. Let's show you from Bible, because it's a foolishness that you must be delivered from. Some of you sitting down right now, as powerful as you look, suited up, decked up, muscular prosperity. 12,000 is bigger than you. See some people now, fine babe, decked up. You'll be one day, oh Lord, bless me with this babe. It's a body. Ordinary 30K can drop. Your husband is stranded. He needs 200,000. You can't surprise him. So I need to take 200. Don't worry. Don't worry. Take it. Say from where? I'm a good wife. I'm saving some money. Say, no, how can the husband ask you, can you breathe? Say, nothing. Nothing. Car you can't drive. So he will buy a car for you. He will still drive it for you. You now add another burden of driver. The man has bought you a car. He will still be paying for driver again. You can't even say, don't worry, I will pay the driver by myself. Who did this to you? When did marriage become a body? Hello? Hello? I'm not raising those kind of daughters here. Anybody that wants to marry any Cavalian babe must seek me. My baby. Wagamura, the babe has her car, she has her land, she's already doing PhD. You will know that you have to. How can a man marry you? When he married you, you had car, you already had 2 plots, you have 7 million in fixed deposit or in shares and stocks. You have been traveling, you are foreign account. He will now treat you as a sit down. You are a full housewife. Which mouth you go take talk about? But when you came in, you and your family is liability on the guy. Before you take care of your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your nephew, now don't ruin the guy. Proverbs 21 verse 20. Let's close there so that you will see that it's not an insult, it's foolishness. Proverbs 21 verse 20. Let's look at some scriptures. Are you ready? Read it well. Oh. There is treasure to be desired and oil in the dwelling of the wise, But what? A foolish man. You are foolish. Spends it up. So they chop, everything. I chop. All the lockdown. Where did you go with your Peruvian hair? Your eyelashes, your nails. Bro, where did you go to? Your mobile phone alone is 150,000. That's a plot of land. 150K. And you're going around with Mozu. Now Mozu will go chop. School fees come, you terrorize your wife. You know some women, the load they are carrying has killed their femininity. You see some women, they can't smile anymore. Even if you touch them, no arousal, nothing. Why? The burden of responsibility they are carrying. When they say husband, they look at them as married women, but they are like widows. The man is just there, useless. But when the guy deck up like this, when you see the beer where everything is looking, when the guy show up like this, 6-pack without 6 figure, and the baby suffering in silence. The woman is the one that bought the car. The guy will still drive it and be posing with his wife's car. So I'm the head of this house. Head of this house. Hello? Give me another translation. Valuables are safe in a wise person's home, but fools put it all out for yard sales. Give me another one because of time. Give me Amplify before that master one. No, go back. Give me Amplify first before we go to this master one. We'll close this video. Give me Amplify first. There are precious treasures and oil in the dwelling of the wise, but a self-confident and foolish man swallowed it up and wasted. Keep it here. Let me talk a little. This is what killed pastors. Next week, another offering will come. This is what killed many pastors. Foolish pastors. This is what killed them. Offering. Next week. They are coming next week. Full-time foolishness. Hello? This is what killed many pastors. Oh, next week, another offering will come. I'm surprised next month. They are depending on people's title. When COVID came, ministry shut down. Over 6,000 churches were shut down in America alone in August. Nigeria does not have statistics, but I can tell you they are more than that. If you know the calls I was getting during lockdown of pastors. So self-confidence. Many of you are so self-confident in your business until lockdown came. Self-confident in your salary. They cannot sack me. I'm next to the MD. My salary is secure. Where is it now? No saving. You are just so self-confident and arrogantly stupid. Thinking that boy mama lonely here. Listen, times my mother will say June and July. Like June and July. That means one is 30, one is 31. And my mother will always say, no matter how much February try, it can never reach 30. Every 4 years. So every 4 years back on 29. Hello? My mother some heavy scriptures from the traditional archive. From the traditional archive. Why they say some of she will just be throwing it I'm going on my way. And say you know some traditional scriptures from the archive of tradition. Hello? Give me the good one. GNT. Wise people live in wealth and luxury, but stupid people spend their money as fast as they get. Keep it there so that the stupid people can see themselves. I wrote a book called Are You a Fool? A question or an answer, because God gave me revelation of foolishness in 1998. I wrote the book. So when I say you are foolish, I don't feel anything, because I know what I'm talking. I'm speaking from a point of revelation. See that? Many of you are stupid, completely foolish and stupid. See? As you make the money, you spend it. You make the money, you spend it. Why do people find it difficult to save? They don't tithe.
On this channel, we talk about making money the biblical way. Let's honor God with our finances by applying His principles. If this blessed you, like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.